Hello dear students, I, Miss Archana Gawale, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, welcome you all to the e-learning platform of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College, Nasik. Dear students, we are starting with the syllabus of semester 4 for the subject Business Management. So let's begin. We will start with Unit 1, that is, improving people's performance, motivating the staff. In today's lecture, we will try to understand the introduction, meaning, definition, types, and importance of motivation. Introduction. Employee motivation is an important factor that encourages persons to give best performance and helps in reaching enterprise goals. It is the art inducing employees to work to the success of organization. As we all know that the manager of the organization has to perform a number of functions such as planning, organizing, directing, decision making, coordination, controlling, motivation, etc., among which motivation is an important function of the manager, as it encourages the people or the workers to work more effectively and efficiently in achieving the organizational goals. Meaning, motivation is the process of stimulating to accomplish the goals. It is driving force behind human action. It encourages the people to give the best performance. Motivation means to encourage people to work. Motivation means to boost the energy of an employee so that they can work more effectively and efficiently. The word motivation is derived from the word motive. The term motive implies an action to satisfy a need. A motive is an inner state that energizes, activates, or moves, and that directs the human behavior towards a goal. Motives are the expansion of a person's needs and desires. Motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the desired goals. Next definition, motivation can be defined as an willingness to expand energy to achieve a goal or a reward. From the above definition, we come to know that motivation is the process of stimulating, means encouraging people to work or to increase their level of energy so that they can work more effectively, more efficiently, or productively in attaining the organization's goals. Types of motivation. First, positive motivation. Positive motivation is a technique in which a person is rewarded for accomplishing a certain task or accomplishing the desired objective. It is indeed a tool for creating an interest in the minds of the employees for better performance. Positive motivation implies the creation of an environment in which people can satisfy their needs and aspirations. Positive motivation increases the cooperation of employees and creates a feeling of happiness. Awards, due recognition, and praises are some of the examples of positive motivation. Second, negative motivation. Negative motivation means the act of forcing employees to work using threats and punishments. Negative motivation involves creating a sense of fear or an unhealthy environment. Punishment provisions relating to demotions, dismissal, transfer, penalties, group rejection, etc., are a few examples of negative motivation, though employees work up to a level where punishment is avoided. But this type of motivation causes anger and frustration in the minds of employees. This type of motivation generally become a cause of industrial unrest. Third type, monetary motivation. Monetary rewards are the financial rewards provided to the employees for meeting the desired goals. This may include cash awards, bonuses, commission, gift cards, and so on. Money is effective motivator for improving employees' performance. Money helps to satisfy the psychological and security needs of a worker. Money is also useful in satisfying social needs to some extent because money is often recognized as a symbol of power, prestige, and status. Fourth, non-monetary motivation. Non-monetary factors such as job satisfaction, a positive working environment, flexible work schedules, and fringe benefits provided by the organization. This is primary because non-monetary rewards focuses on building an emotional connection with the employees. Providing the right non-monetary rewards can help enhance employees' engagement, loyalty, and job performance. Importance of motivation. Point 1, increases organizational efficiency. Motivation plays an important role in changing the attitude of the employees in the organization. Motivation improves the efficiency level of employees. Employees start performing the job to the best of their ability with minimum wastage of time and resources. Motivated employees always go for the best utilization of resources. It creates willingness among the employees to perform their work with great enthusiasm, zeal, and loyalty. Second, helps to increase the productivity. Motivation meets the needs of the employees and thereby creates the drive to work to the best of his ability. Motivated employees are more productive and allow an organization to achieve higher level of output. Motivated employees make better utilization of resources which lowers the cost of operation. Third, create better image. A firm may try to motivate employees with different benefits like providing financial and non-financial benefits, personal advancement, and so on. A firm that provides opportunity for the financial and personal advancement has a better image in the employment market. People prefer to work for an enterprise because of the opportunity for the development and sympathetic outlook. This helps in attaining and attracting qualified personnel and simplifies the staffing function. Fourth point, motivation facilitates change. A business operates in the environment. The factors of the business environment are ever changing. If the organization wants to survive and grow, it has to adapt to the changes in the internal and external environment. Motivation helps the manager to introduce the changes as motivated employees show less resistance in accepting the changes. Motivated employees take interest in the new organizational goals and are more receptive to the changes that management want to introduce to improve the efficiency of the operation. Fifth point, achieves organizational objective. Motivation is the core of management. Though motivated manager encourages employees to direct their energies in achieving organizational goals. Motivated employees always try to contribute their best efforts to the realization of organizational goals. Therefore, the higher the level of motivation, the greater is the degree of goal accomplishment. Sixth point, boost employees' morale. Morale refers to the attitude and feelings of employees towards their work and work situation. Through motivation, employees' attitudes and feelings towards work can be improved. Proper motivation helps to boost employees' morale. Thank you.